is near and dear to my heart because estate planning is so important. We want our members to be proactive and not reactive. We want your voice to be heard and not the court's voice being heard. So inclusive with your membership, you're going to be able to get preparation, annual reviews, and updates for your will, your durable power of attorney, as well as your physician's directive and or living will as well. Now, traffic ticket assistance is available as well. That kicks in 10 days after you've had the service. Now, if you need your attorney to go to court for you or with you, there is a flat $79 fee that you must pay. Now, let me tell you something. I'd rather pay that flat $79 fee than to have to pay a $250 plus dollar an hour to have my attorney go for or with me. So it just makes sense. And we'll also provide property damage assistance as well as civil and trial defense. If you or your spouse are ever named in a civil suit, you're going to have access to your law firm to help you navigate through that stressful situation. It's included with your membership. IRS audit assistance is also available. And, this is a great feature for this time of the year.